Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess. And today I'm excited because I finally have some protection for my Vivo X Fold. Shout out to Giztop for finally getting my case. We'll drop you those details right in here, show you how much I paid for said case. And let's get to this unboxing. So what we have here is a black Vivo case. It's an OEM, and there's a couple ways you can use this bad boy to where it's gonna stand up for you and all that good stuff. It's got a little window in the front you can see here. It's a flip case, and I have a clear case coming. Flip cases I usually use during my work week. When I want to show off my phone, I use a clear case on the weekends. I should have brought something out here to wipe the phone down. It's not too dirty, but you know, it's got a couple little fingerprints. Let's check out the inside first. It's designed for Vivo. Yeah, it's a little soft in there. Magnet in here, window there. So we got protective piece of plastic for the window on the inside and out here and over the Vivo. They don't want you to mess up their branding. Let's slide this on in, people. It's gonna be easy. Click. And like I said, there's a window there. So let's get some of this plastic off and probably turn up our screen some because we're outside in the sun. I do like to record outside every now and again. Staying in the house all day after working all day, you know, it's a thing. I like to come home and then sometimes I'll film outside just to be outside. People should get outside more. So there's my screen. Let's give you a tour of the case, then I'll check on the settings for this. First of all, let me get the plastic off the back. Lots and lots of plastic on this phone. Vivo branding. I do like that. It's kind of hot because it's gold. I like gold. But the phone itself has a silver Vivo on it. So you have a cutout for your camera, of course, and your flash. Slightest of slight lips on the camera. I'd like to get me a camera protector. That's the way I felt not having a case. I would have liked to have something just to stick on the camera in case I put it on a rough surface. Your edges are going to be covered on the right side of the phone, but they're wide open over here. Your magnet's going to come back and catch this every time, but if you drop it, you're fully exposed on the left hand side of your fold with your slider. If you drop it, you might damage your slider, okay? Just a heads up there. You come around the top, again, the right hand side of your fold, which is going to be the side with your IR blaster and your microphone will be protected. Your speaker side will not. And the same will probably apply to the bottom, which I'm right. Protection for your mic and protection around your charging port. Nothing around your speaker on the bottom. Keep that in mind when you're looking at these devices and looking at cases. Now, one thing I do like is how it holds there if you want it to. And if you don't, you just wiggle it and it comes right off. But there is a magnet in there that will hold that up. It's not rough magnet, but you know. And as they showed, you can use this to prop your phone. So nice propability there. Prop that up. So let's say I want to go in and watch me a nice little YouTube video. I might want to watch Gadget Goddess do her thing. Oh, there's my boy Barry Johnson. Engineer reacts if you've not checking Barry out. Now, it's funny, I'll answer a question in this while I'm here. As Barry's video plays, you will see it is full screen, but I do have black bars. Somebody asked if this was full screen. My apps do get full screen for the most part, but just know that most foldables have black bars when it comes to YouTube videos. So that is a thing. If I turn it this way, it's gonna prompt me to tell me to rotate it the other way so I can get more real estate. Not trying to give you a review of the phone. I'm reviewing a case right now. I'm going to give you an update on this phone. Just not this second, okay? And no, my keyboard isn't always that small. That's something I did. There's your full keyboard down at the bottom. But I did want to show you Instagram and some other things. They are pretty much full screen. Instagram works fine. I did get a update on this phone within the first week of having it. I'm a little over a week having this phone, and I got an update. I'm still trying to keep to this case, y'all. I'm sorry. But people have been asking me questions, so I kind of want to give, you know, those kind of things in this video too. Yeah, I'm gonna give a 2-week how I feel about it now because there's no such thing as reviewing a phone in 2 weeks. Can't mention the whole crew in the video, but hey, shout out to Holla at Your Boy. Proud to Holla at Your Boy because he likes his Pixel. He's King Pixel. He's in the Pixel world. Shout out to Juan. I see you, Juan. Okay, I've gone into settings and it says case action. This is my actions that I get with the case. Case action, I can have the smart window, off-screen display. That's when the case is closed. It'll tell me what time it is, notifications and things of that nature. Default is turned on. I have a smartwatch, so I'm going to turn it off. They're saying if I do use this, it won't use more than 10% of my battery. Again, I'm not draining my battery when I use a smartwatch and wear one every day. But if I were to turn that on, I can have it either set to when I press the power button it shows me, or when I move the phone slightly, it'll, show that for me. Those are nice little features. It's kind of bright out here, so I'm gonna hit this button and there you go. I always like to test out some audio for you.
I hit record a job, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarded. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, finished frames on my face. Looking like I'm from the deep. These no Cartiers. Pockets deep, bro. I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you, I'm doing me, bro. Making noise, use a beat, bro.
Doesn't sound like it distorts any to me. And that might be why they left the speakers exposed on this phone, because nothing's going to distort the speakers. Your mics have cutouts, so your calls shouldn't be distorted either. And let me give Vivo one more shout out for presentation. They always do a pretty good freaking job with this. Appreciate you, Vivo. Good looking out. Contains soy oil. What is soy oil? Either way, maybe y'all can leave that down in the comments and let me know what that is. This does not add a lot of bulk to the phone. It does protect your hinge. I know a lot of people often have concerns about hinge protection. So you have hinge protection, camera protection, flash protection, and kind of phone-ish protection, because like I said, your edge on the left hand side of the fold is going to be totally exposed. Thank y'all for stopping by the channel, checking out my case review of the OEM Vivo X Fold case. If you've enjoyed this video, take a minute and hit the like button. If you like multiple videos on this channel, you might want to consider subscribing. Subscriptions are free, memberships have privileges, and memberships cost. Click on the button to see the perks on this channel. You might be interested, you might not. No pressure there. I'd like to thank you for your time, because time is money, and I hope to catch you on the next video on this channel. That's probably going to be involving this Vivo X Fold. Hi!